guys, welcome back to Our Texas Homestead. Today I'm going to make some lemon balm lip balm. So I had grown some lemon balm and then I freeze dried it, but you can either dehydrate it or let it air dry out, whatever. I filled it up like halfway within the jar with the lemon balm, and then I covered it in, what did I use? Olive oil. And it's been sitting in the pantry for like 2 weeks, or in the cupboard. It just has to be someplace dark, and every once in a while you just stir it up or shake it. So now it's ready to what would you call it? Well, separate out the leaves from the oil so we can use it. So I got another jar, a little sieve, and cheesecloth. So we're gonna pour it through. And if you don't want to let it sit for 2 weeks, you could fill up the leaves and the oil and then put it in a crock pot with like a little bit of water for a few hours, and you'll get the same effect. So and you don't want to use it with the leaves fresh, because there's too much water in there and then it doesn't mix well with the oil. It makes the oil unstable, I guess, like not shelf stable. So see if we can wring out the rest of this oil. Okay. So I had some water heating up on the stove, and I have 0.3 ounces of beeswax. So we're just gonna put that in there to melt it. It's gonna take a little bit. But as soon as this gets melted, I'll bring you back and we'll add in the lemon balm oil to it. It's just starting to melt. Okay, so the beeswax is all melted. Now we're gonna measure out. We're gonna put the cup on the scale and zero it out. And then we need 1.75 ounces of the oil. I'm not sure I'm gonna have enough. Oh yeah, there. And then we're gonna put that in with the beeswax. And the beeswax starts to harden up again right away, so we gotta put it back on the stove to melt it a little bit. But yeah, after we melt it again, then we're gonna put the essential oil in. I'm gonna put it in this container though, because it's easier to handle. Okay, so I got the beeswax and the oil. I'm gonna put it back in the pot of water to get it melted again, and I'll be right back. Okay, so it's all melted down again. I'm gonna add 3 drops of peppermint oil. You can add anything. Maybe that one's empty. Let me go grab another one. So it'll be 3 drops of spearmint instead of peppermint. Mix it all together, and then I'm going to try and pour it into these little tubes, but I might have to use the 10 instead. We'll see how steady my hand is today. Can't know if you can see it, but it's like right just below the lip of it there. See how many we can get filled up. Whoop. That one's going to be a messy one. Fills up fast. Yep. Still have some in the bag. And I just found these at Hobby Lobby. I'm sure Michael's has them too. Just top some of these off a little bit. Yeah, I'll pour the rest in the tin. Then you just let them harden up, put the lids on them, and then they're good to go whenever you're ready to use them. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, I think it's 8. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 of them. Plus a little bit in the tin. And it really didn't cost me anything except for $1.99, and I think these were $1.99 also. So it's a lot cheaper than chapstick. We'll see how it turns out. I'll bring you along once they harden up some. So, get down here. So the chapstick's been sitting for like 2 days. So it's all hardened up and everything. And it's really greasy, but A lot of chapsticks are.
To me, Carmex is real greasy.
Yeah, it's kind of like a more solid form of that, but it smells minty, but it's not tingly on your lips. But it'll keep them moist in the winter. Oh, and I also found out that the lemon balm is good for cold sores. So if you get a cold sore, be good for that too. So, but these 9 will last me the whole year, so it's pretty cheap. We'll see.
That's a good deal.
Yep. So.
Instead of like $3-4 for a tube of Carmex.
Yeah, because I was walking through Walgreens the other day, and like a 3-pack of that EOS one is like $7-8. So anyways, try it and let us know what you think, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Be sure to like and subscribe.